Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Infotainment Cart. So today we'll be making DC power source for this motor, 12 volt DC motor. So let's begin. Hello friends, so for making the mini AC to DC converter, you will need a 12 volt AC to DC transformer, 12 volt, 2 ampere, a zero board optional, this is optional, a capacitor, 4 diodes and 4007 diodes, 2 pinouts, this is also optional, soldering iron and soldering wire. Hello friends, so let's make a AC to DC converter using this transformer. I'll show you the AC current of this transformer, the AC output. This is the input of this transformer and this is the output. We'll check the AC output with the help of this multimeter. We'll set this multimeter on 750 volts AC. Here we are getting 13 to 14 volts. This is AC current, so we have to convert this AC current into DC current with the help of 4 diodes to make a bridge rectifier. As you can see, there is a white line on one side of the diode, so this is the negative and this is the positive. Same way there will be white lines on other diodes too. So for making the bridge rectifier, we have to join two negative terminals of the diodes like this, and two positive terminals like this. So these are the two positive terminals of the diodes. We have joined these two positive terminals, and over here we have joined the two negative terminals of the diode. So now we'll connect this like this. See, like this. I will give you the diagram of this bridge rectifier in the description box. See, like this. So now we have to connect the AC output over here on these two terminals. This will be my positive output, DC output positive, and this will be my negative DC output. So over on these terminals we have to connect the AC output. So let's connect them, and on these two terminals I have to connect the capacitor to smooth out the DC output. The black line which you can see is the negative, another one is positive. Hello friends, after making the bridge rectifier, we'll now connect this capacitor to this bridge rectifier to smooth out the DC current. So we'll do it. So my connection is ready. So this is our So this is our DC output and this is the AC. It gets rectified and converts into DC. This. From here we'll take output now. Over here I have got my one old audio video modular box. This was the box I was having in spare. So I'll put this transformer in this. So friends, as you can see, there is a switch over here. This was already there. So we'll connect this wire to this switch, and we have to join one more wire like this. This will connect like this, and these two wires will be my input for AC. Similarly, we'll connect these two wires for our DC output like this. And we'll take the wires out from here. For this hole, I'll be using this female jack. So in future, we will have access to easy connectivity of the DC output. So we'll put everything inside now, and we'll close this box. So this is my mini AC to DC converter. This will be easy to carry. So let's test this. So friends, let's try this AC to DC converter. I'll put this 230 AC switch on. I'll put this switch also on. And as you can see, I have connect one of the meter probes to this DC output, and other one I'll connect. As you can see, I am getting 19 volt, 18.99. This 18.9 volt I am getting is because of capacitor. So this is more than enough to run our DC motor and do various things. So friends, our AC to DC converter is ready. You can see how compact it is. The advantage of this AC to DC converter is that you can also charge your batteries, any batteries, car batteries also, with the help of this IC LM317 and this variable resistor. This is of 10K. I'll show you this detailed explanation in my next video. There are some calculations also involved. And guys, if you like this video, please like this video. And if you have any queries, questions, please do comment. And if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.